Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review on the UNSHAKEABLE liquid eyeliner. This product was sent to me for review. This eyeliner is $14.99 on Amazon. Their claims that the UNSHAKEABLE eyeliner is an easy glide eyeliner. You can do thin or thick lines. It's ultra pigmented, waterproof, all day wear, smudge proof, dries quickly, lasts up to 12 hours, which literally is all day. And one of the best things is it's cruelty-free and paraben-free. That is the claims of the eyeliner. So we're going to open this up, and I'm going to tell you about my experience. It's just a pen eyeliner, cute packaging. My experience. This eyeliner does glide on very easily. It does dry quickly. And I do a thin line in the demonstration, you'll see, and then in another demonstration I done a winged eyeliner. So you can do thicker thin lines, very easily achieved. It is really pigmented. I think it is super black eyeliner actually. It didn't smudge, it didn't flake, it did last all day on me. Very wonderful eyeliner. Times that I've used it since getting it. It did last all day. It dries down, and it's not a super matte dry down though, just so you know. It's definitely waterproof. It is easily removed with waterproof makeup remover. I really like that it lasted all day without the flaking and losing its pigmentation. It stayed very black all day long. And very easy to work with. Pen tip there, like a little felt pen tip. Super black. And look how quickly that's drying. And there's the eyeliner dry. The smudge was already there. Doesn't budge. Pretty awesome. And they do recommend storing your eyeliner downwards, so the tip's always saturated with product. It's not going to dry out when the flow of the pen is directed down to the top there. Very easy to use, lasts all day, ultra black, thick and thin lines, smudge proof, proof on camera right here, smudge proof, and cruelty free, you guys, waterproof and doesn't flake. So many pros to this. I do recommend you guys checking it out, especially if you're in the market for a new eyeliner. Definitely check out that Amazon page. With my experience using this, it's been a really great eyeliner. Super easy to use. You can apply it on your eyelid with one quick swoop or little baby steps, or you can full on wing. I mean, it's so easy to achieve with this eyeliner pen. Removal. It is waterproof, but it does remove easily with makeup remover. So not a stubborn eyeliner and hard to remove at all. So that's definitely a plus. Quick and efficient. No tugging or pulling at your lids either. I hope you enjoyed the review. Hope you found it helpful. If you will, stay tuned for more tutorials and reviews. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you always for watching, and all the links to this eyeliner as well as tutorials and stuff where I used it will be in the description box below, as well as additional links. Now thank you guys always for watching.